Is your Xbox freezing during gameplay? Here is a quick guide to fix it fast. Step 1. Press and hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds to fully power off your console. Then unplug it for 30 seconds and restart. This clears the cache. Step 2. Make sure your game and Xbox system are fully up to date. Go to Settings and then System and then Update and install any pinned updates. Step 3. Check your storage space. If your drive is 90% full or more, games can freeze. Free up space by deleting unused games or apps. Step 4. If you're using an external drive, try transferring the game to an internal storage. Some drives can slow down during gameplay. Step 5. If it's an online game, test your network. Go to Settings and then General and then Network. Press on Settings and then press on Test Network Speed. Use wired connection for better stability. Bonus tip. Clear persistent storage under Settings and then Device Connections, and then click on Blu-ray, and then click on Persistent Storage and click Clear. Final step. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the game. And that's how to fix mid-sessions freezes in Xbox. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.